welcome to the Reluctant Chef. Today I am making chicken curry lettuce wraps. So I wanted to show you a couple tools in the process that you might not have seen. The first is our salad choppers. It is a dual-bladed serrated scissor that I hold backwards, and we call them chicken choppers. And we use them for chicken. We also use them for pulled pork, and you can obviously use them for fajitas or for salad. So I took 3 chicken breasts yesterday and I put them in my pressure cooker, and I put them up on the little wire rack, and I sprinkled them with some curry, and I ended up cooking them on slow cook instead of pressure cook, actually, because I had time, and I wanted it cold. So I'm just going to chop up the chicken into pieces, and this is great if you're grilling a bunch of chicken. If you want to do a lot of prep ahead for the week, you can grill up a bunch of chicken breasts and then season it with different seasonings and put it on top of salads for the week. Or you can chop it up to make chicken salad, or you can do egg salad with this. So we need about, I think it's 2 cups of diced chicken. So I'm going to do 2 of the chicken breasts today, and then I'm going to save the rest for later. But you can see how easy chopping the chicken is. Hi guys, so when you guys watch a video live, comment below that you watched live, and if you're watching it as a playback, make sure you say playback. And also there's going to be a secret message in my videos, and the secret message is if you private message me that, you get 25 bonus points into my raffle giveaway. So today's bonus point is salad choppers. Super easy, the first tool that we're using. So let me move on, so I'll show you what we're doing. So the next one is the manual food processor. I put some celery in here, and you just pound down on the handle, and the more you pound, the finer your celery chops. And I'm going to use it also for a green onion, and we're going to add some mayonnaise and some sour cream into a bowl separately, and we're going to add the curry to this mixture. So it's really easy to mix up both of those with our scoop and spread. So the regular size scoop and spread fits inside a mayonnaise jar. The large scoop and spread does not. So we're using about a half a cup of the sour cream, and then we're going to use a quarter cup of mayonnaise. So let me get a different spatula. So we make a mini mix and scrape as well. So let me show you the size difference between the two. And if you guys haven't seen my tour of Sue's kitchen video, which I usually put into my virtual parties before the party begins because it's a long one, it shows you all of the tools that I use on a regular basis in my kitchen. So when you have 20 minutes, because it's long, but everybody who's watched it has said that it's been really helpful because I show you everything from what I use for breakfast, what I use for lunch, power tools, gadgets, just really the most used tools in my kitchen. You'll also notice that I'm using the 1 cup prep bowls. We use those a lot in my home. And we're going to use our adjustable measuring spoon. They come as a set of 2. They go from 1/8 of a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, and then the other one goes from 1 teaspoon to a tablespoon. Good morning to you guys. And then they come apart for easy dishwashing. So we're going to use ground clove, and I'll post this recipe for you guys. Let's see, ground clove. How much clove? Oh no clove in this one. This is from my other recipe. Sorry, I got another one that I'm prepping for later today. So we need garlic and we need curry. So a teaspoon of curry in with this. And as I said, I already curried the chicken a little bit, so I might do 3/4 of a teaspoon on this so that we don't do too much. And then garlic. So I'll get the garlic press. Totally slacked on that. Okay, so garlic press. You don't need to peel your garlic to use your garlic with the Pampered Chef garlic press. You can just put it in with the skins on it so that your fingers won't smell garlicky. You just take 1 clove out, stick it in here. I use 2 hands, and I'm starting to get arthritis in my thumbs. So one of the things that you might consider doing is cutting the edge off of the garlic on both sides. It'll make it go through the garlic press easier. Curry, mayonnaise, a little bit of salt. We're going to put a little red onion in our manual food processor, and then I'm going to add a little bit more celery, and then I have a green apple here that we're going to chop up, and we're going to put it all together, and then we're going to eat it on bibbed lettuce. So I'll post the recipe below. Remember, if you're coming into this now, don't forget, private message me the word salad choppers and you get 25 bonus tickets into our raffle. So welcome to Sue's Cooking, the Reluctant Chef. I look forward to working with you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, I'll post this recipe shortly. Thanks for watching.